And speaking of heat and weather, let's get a check of your forecast now. Meteorologist Ross Caruso is in for Jerry today, and he says there is a warm up on the way this weekend, and you do have some eyes, your eyes on some storms.
Oh yeah, very close, and I don't wear glasses, by the way. I have perfect vision, so I've been studying these storms. We're going to be dealing with more summer activity for us. You know, going back to just the heat illnesses, that's like the #1 issue that we have in the weather, and most people think, oh, it's just the heat. Like, that is an actual problem, so something hopefully we can be able to manage that better down the road. But the heat we have this weekend, it's not going to be extreme heat, but it's going to be something that's going to be a little icky compared to what we had earlier this past week, where we had somewhat cooler weather for this time of the year.
It's the humidity, really. When it's humid, it makes it even worse.
It's just the humidity, and that's the thing, that's the ticket for these storms to really ramp up. And that's going to be the big thing we're going to be talking about tomorrow. I know a lot of people heading over to the Shoe for the big concert tonight. We got another one tomorrow, so we are going to be keeping a close eye on the forecast, and a lot of things unfolding over the past couple hours with the forecast as well. Starting things with a live look, though. Currently out towards Scioto Audubon, we are looking at a mix of sun and clouds. Nice and green out towards the city, and it's looking like we're seeing some green on the radar as well. Well to the north, though, where we're seeing some showers and storms just past through Toledo area. We do have some isolated showers that are just north of Columbus, up towards Mount Vernon, where we're seeing some of these showers move through. And again, that's going to continue to see the potential for some of those showers as we head into the day on tomorrow, where we're going to see more of these showers come through. And it looks like we're going to continue to see the potential for some pretty warm conditions as we head into this evening. Temperature-wise, we're looking at right around 84 degrees, 79 degrees in Delaware, 81 in Marysville, 82 in Newark, 83 in Lancaster, and 85 in Circleville. So things are staying pretty warm for us out there this evening as well. We are seeing some scattered showers that will continue to push off to the northeast as we head into this evening. By 7 o'clock, we'll still see a few isolated showers out into the southeastern part of the state. A couple random downpours even going into the early part of the night for us, but hopefully things will stay nice and dry in the city, as this will be very isolated and not widespread. We'll continue to see some shower and storm action up towards the north, and we'll likely see some overnight showers. Not expecting anything severe, but we will see some random downpours. You might have an occasional rumble of thunder. Temperatures will be into the upper 60s, but more than just a few rumbles of thunder as we head into the day on Saturday, where it's likely we're going to see the potential for some strong storms unfold pretty much well across the state, which it looks kind of broad, and that's because it is, because just like many situations that we've had before with the severe weather outlook over the past couple months, this summer in particular, we have been dealing with not just one round of rain or storm activity moving through a couple, and that can kind of muddle the waters a little bit, especially when we take a look at events that are expected in the morning and also as we head into the evening. So the main threats, much like what we typically would expect: damaging wind gusts, potential for large hail, low end for flooding, and of course isolated tornadoes. And this is for your Saturday. If you're not going to be dealing with the storms, well, look at the heat index. That's going to be ramping up well into the 90s for us as we head into the afternoon. So looking at your hour-by-hour forecast, if you are going to be missing out on some of the storms, again, there's a good chance you'll probably see some rain pass through into the morning. Then as we head through the mid-morning hours, looks like models are pulling in a little bit of a break from the rain. But if we happen to see this hold together, this can definitely help to clear things up or nullify some of the stronger storm potential later into the day as we head into your Saturday evening. But right now, some of our higher resolution models are keen on showing some of this wave move through, holding up as we head into the midday, and then looking like as we head into the afternoon, again, we will be watching the threat for some of those stronger storms going into the evening hours. It's going to be primarily 6 to 9 o'clock, and then looking like things will be clearing out for us as we head into your Sunday. Highs will be into the upper 80s. We'll then see a few showers perhaps late Sunday night, and then more showers and storms possible as we head into your Monday.